How are you? Welcome to my channel Technical Eye. In the last video, actually, we have seen how to configure the home folder for the user actually. So now actually, I want to discuss about the FSRM service actually. FSRM service is a one kind of role service actually. So let me open the document and so I want to give you some brief introduction for this FSRM service. And we will configure this FSRM service also today. So FSRM means it is a file server resource management. The FSRM means it is a file server resource management. FSRM it is a Windows server role actually that allows administrator to manage and control data that is stored on server. So whatever the data it is stored on server, it is managed by the administrators actually. It enables features like classification, quota management. It will have features like quota management, storage, reporting, and file screening also. So it is designed to help organizations manage their file server resources. So the main functionalities are like quota management and file screening is management and storage management. Storage reports management. What is this quota management? It will limit the space that is allowed for the volume actually. So using this quota management, we can restrict the drive size actually. And the file screening management, it controls the type of files that a user can store on a file server. So in case if you want to restrict the, for suppose if you want to restrict the file MP3 file types for the user, you can restrict actually. So he cannot store on the drive. And another thing is storage reports management actually. Using this storage reports management, you can monitor the users actually. So for the selected users, you can monitor actually. Or a particular group or particular users, you can monitor if you want. So it is introduced in actually 2008 R2. Windows Server 2008 R2, and it will support only NTFS format type actually. NTFS file system only. It will not support REFS. REFS means it is resilient file system. RE stands for. So now we will configure the lab of the FSRM role actually. First we will check it is installed or not. So let me go to the tools. If it is installed, you can find it on here also. So I cannot find here. So let me install this service now. So for that you need to go to the manage and click the add role and features and click next and choose this default one only role based or feature based installation and click next and select a server from the server pool and go with this default option only and click next and here you need to go to the file and storage service option actually. Under this option you will find this FSRM service actually. You need to go to this file and storage services, expand this one and again in this one, expand this one also, file and ISCSI services. Here you can find the service, file server resource manager. check this option and click add features. You can, if you want to read the description, you can find it here also. And click next. And again click next. No need to change anything. Click next. And click install. No need, I mean, no need for the restart anything. You can directly, after installation, there is no need actually. If you check this box also, no issue. I mean, if there is any necessity, it will automatically restart actually. Directly click install. And it will take some time actually. Please hold for a 5 minutes. More. It will not take more than 5 minutes, I think. Yeah, it's done, I think. You can click close button. You can check also. Is there any issues? It will display here. It is showing installation successful actually. And let me go to the let me go to the tools and let me check actually the service is installed or not. You can see here the service is installed actually. So actually last time actually we created a home folder drive, right? Home folder drive for the user. So just I want to restrict the size for the user now actually. So what will happen actually, the user can be able to use all the size of the shared drive. I mean drive this drive actually. I mean this server drive. You can check the size also, I think. So how much the capacity of the server drive, it is totally allocated for the user actually. I mean, so if you want to restrict the size of this user, I mean, if you want to restrict the size for this user, we can restrict it actually using this FSRM services. I mean, we need to create a quota for the some quota for that user actually. So by doing that, we can restrict the size for the users actually. So we will see now how to restrict that quota for that user actually. So you can apply this quota for I mean using the I mean you can apply this quota for an roaming profile or share folder or home folder also. Now we will see how to apply this roaming profile on, I mean sorry, how to apply this quota size, restrict this quota size for the home drive actually. If you want to do on roaming profile or if you want to do any particular shared folder also, you can check also, no problem. So let me go to the FSRM service, tools, go click tools and click FSRM service. Here you can find the things actually, quota management, file screening management and storage report management. So let me expand this quota management. And first of all, you need to create a template for the user. Then you need to apply the quota, and you need to apply this template on that quota actually. So let me choose this quota template. Choose this quota template and right click on. You can see the default quotas also it will available here. So there is actually 99 GB, right? So how much you want to restrict the quota size, you can apply actually. Here actually by default 2 GB is there, 200 MB is there, 5 GB is there. So, so I want to create a my our own template actually. So I want to restrict 3 GB actually. So let me create our own template. So right click on quota template and choose create quota template. And don't click anything here. Just to create your own template here. Give the name. Just I am giving 3 GB size for user. I want to restrict the domain user. I have the username Prithvi. So I am giving the name actually. So description if you it is optional, no need to give anything. So you can mention the size, how much size you want to mention. I want to restrict 3 GB. I want to give only allocate 3 GB. So I'm entering 3 GB here. In case how much if you want to restrict for if you want to access only 5 I mean if you want to give only 5 GB you can enter 5 GB or 10 GB whatever how much you want to give the access to the drive you can give. So I'm giving 3 GB here and change the MB also here give GB. Okay, and you can find there are two options, hard quota and soft quota also there. Hard quota means so how much you are allocating only that much only it will apply. Soft quota means total entire drive it will apply. So right now you want to assign only restrict size right for the user. So I'm going with this hard quota only. I think no need this option I think. And click OK. You can check here. Our template is created actually. Whatever you get right now you created the template is created. And choose the quote. Now go to the quotas and right click on the quotas and create a quota. So let me. So now you can share. You can manually give the path also. Otherwise, if you want to click browse and you can select the location by clicking browse also. So we created a home drive folder in the E drive. So I'm choosing that location and click OK. And if you want to select only particular user, you can select also. I mean, if you want to apply this quota restriction only for particular user, you can select the only particular user. Otherwise, what? And I mean, if you want to apply for the all the users inside this home folder drive, you can choose the home folder. So I'm going with home folder. I mean, I want to apply this quota to all the users. I mean, I want to apply this quota restriction to all the users. So I'm choosing the home folder drive. I'm in the folder. And click OK. And choose here. Whatever the quota name you created, you have to choose here. So create a quota path only here. Create a quota only. Don't need to change anything here. And here you need to select the thing. I think. So you can find here the last option, 3 GB size for the user. So I'm selecting this option and click create. So see now the quota is created actually. You can check here actually the quota is created for the user. Now we will go to the user computer and we'll check actually it is applicable or not, applied or not. See now the capacity is now before it is actually 99 GB. Now it is 3 GB actually. The quota is applied actually. This is the way you can apply the quota restriction to the users. I mean, how much data, I mean, how much the quota size if you want to allocate to the user, you can restrict it using this quota management functionality in the FSRM service. That's it, guys. That's it for today. We will see the other labs on another video. Thank you, guys. Thank you very much.